Hello everyone, welcome to part 23 of Laravel 9 series, in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we are working on the admins, sub-admins, vendors module. We are going to approve the vendors so that the vendors can able to add the products into the admin panel. So here in last few videos we have seen that we able to show all the admins and sub-admins and vendors in admin panel, and we can able to see the vendor details as well. See, super admin can able to see, even the admin can able to see the vendor details and approve the admins as well. Okay, so these are the vendor details that we have shown in the admin panel. So we are going back to the vendors, and here see, we can click on all here as well. So here we are going to make it make any of the vendors, admin or sub admins, active or inactive. Okay, so see, right now we have not added this functionality, so we are going to update these with the Ajax. Okay, so let's do this one. See here, we are going to close the earlier files, and now see, I'm going to open the admins.blade file, admins.blade.php file. Okay, so here we are going to add the links and classes that we require. Okay, so we are going to add the class here. We are going to add here updateAdminStatus class, updateAdminStatus. If you have done the advanced e-commerce series, then it will be really easy for you, because we are going to do the same kind of code that we have done in advanced e-commerce series to approve the admins and sub-admins and the vendors. Okay, and here see, we are going to add the ID like admin hyphen then the admin ID we are going to add here, this one. Okay, so we will also add this ID like we are going to add the admin_ID. We will also pass the admin ID here in this one as well. Okay, so href we are just will add the syntax so that we not able to click it JavaScript void 0, so that it will not open any other page. So the rest of the things seems to be fine. And also one more thing we are going to do, after class we are going to add the status as well. Here status equal to active. Okay, so here we are going to close the tag as well. So the same tag we are going to add for this one like this, and here updateAdminStatus, ID, admin, everything seems to be fine. So status here is inactive. Okay, so now we are going to check it once, refresh it. So see, the link has come up here. Okay, but still it is not working because we have not added any jQuery script for this one. So we will open the custom.js file. Here we are already having the script for the current password, but now we are going to add for the updateAdminStatus here. Okay, updateAdminStatus, and here we are going to add the jQuery document. We're going to add on click event, on click update admin status function first we are going to add here alert to check our code is working or not. See, it now seems to be working. We're going to inspect. Work. We need to make sure that our class, see here we are missed. Okay, so don't make this silly mistake, and also we can copy this one here. Now it seems to be fine. Now refresh it. And to click on this one, now it is working fine. Okay, so first thing is we are going to have the status that we are using there. So we will use the children element of jQuery to get the status here from the I is the children of a tag. So we will use the children attribute of jQuery, like dollar this, dollar this dot children, and its children is I, and we are going to pick its value from status like this. Okay, what the jQuery series, okay, you can watch the jQuery series if you are not aware of these kind of attributes. Okay, so there is one series that you can I can just show you, that jQuery basic series that you can follow. jQuery basics, you can go in videos, and there is one series I'm going to show you. Okay, so do one thing, open my channel youtube.com/stack developers, and from there you can open that jQuery playlist, so that if your jQuery is not that much good, you can improve it. Open the playlist from here, and once you will click on playlist, all the playlists will come up. It is, my net speed is a bit slow. Okay, now here you can simply search for the jQuery. Okay, so these series you can follow, jQuery basics for beginners. Just click on this one, and you can see all the videos will come up here. Okay, we are starting from the first one. Okay, so these videos you can watch to improve your jQuery skills. Okay, right from the first one, jQuery basics introduction to by jQuery better than JavaScript. Okay, so you can watch this complete series to improve the jQuery. Okay, so let's come back to that custom.js, and here we get the status, but we will check it once that status is coming there. Like if we click on active, then active will come. If we click on inactive, then inactive will come. So these one we can close this file, but it is not required now. Okay, so now see, if we click on active, this is active will come. If we click on inactive, then inactive will come. So it's working fine. So one more, we need to get that admin ID. So that is simple enough. Admin ID, we can get it like this, dollar this dot attribute admin ID. This one we will also check once to make sure that admin ID is coming here. So we are going to click on, like this one is the admin ID is 2 is coming, and here the admin ID is 1, so 1 is coming, so it's fine. So now we are going to use the Ajax here. So first we are going to have that type. We will use the post type. Then URL, we are going to use that /admin update admin status. Okay, then we are going to use that data so that we can pass the status as well as the admin ID. Okay, then success and error function. Here we will type response. Error function. Okay, so now see, one more thing we are required. We will add this header script, okay, so that no CSRF token error will come, and it will make the this script more secure by adding this security token of Ajax, of Laravel. Okay, so now this route, we are going to create this route now. Okay, update admin status route we are going to create in web.php file. Okay, we will create the post route here. Admin status. Add route, post route, we are going to add update admin status. So the function we are going to add in AdminController of here we are going to add update admin status. Okay, so this function we are going to add in AdminController. Add the function here after this one, public function AdminController. Okay, so here we are going to use the request, as we are getting those requests in Ajax. Okay, so we are going to get the Ajax request here. Request is coming from the Ajax. First we are going to get this request in $data $request all. We will check once whether we are getting all the requests here correctly. Okay, so we are going to refresh, and we'll use the inspect here, and in network, and let's click here and see we are not getting anything. We need to make sure that everything is correct. Update admin status, then AdminController, update admin status here, this one update admin status. Here we are using URL is this one. Alert is also not coming. there seems to be one error here. Okay, error function. Okay, so this comma, I have left this comma. Okay, so that's why. So now refresh once again. So our console tells everything. If we will make some mistakes, then how easily it tells us. Okay, so now see, now it seems to be fine. Okay, so see, the details are coming correctly. Okay, so all details are coming correctly, active one. So now we can further code. Okay, so here see, when the status is coming as active, then status we will make it 0, and if inactive then 1, because we are going to reverse it. Like if active, then we will make it inactive, and if inactive, then we are going to make it active. Okay, and for that, see, if $data status is coming as active, then we are going to make it 0, else we are going to make it 1. Okay, so here we are going to update admin where id $data admin id we are going to update the status. Okay, and return, we are going to return the response to our Ajax. Okay, like this JSON. See, first one is the status, and the next one is the admin id. Once again, we are going to return these details in the Ajax response, so that we can add in the response as well. That is fine. Okay, so this one we can comment, and see, this response will come up here in custom.js. Let's check it once. Okay, refresh. See, we able to update or not. See, we're going to click on this one. Okay, object. Okay, so I'm going to check it here in admins. I'm going to check in admins. See, browse. Okay, so both are 0 right now. If we will refresh, then it will work fine, but still we need to do some more work. See, if we will check, then it is done, then refresh, then it must be shown as active. So it is working fine, it is able to update the status, but after updating the status, we need to update here in response. Okay, so we are required to update here, like if status is 0, then we need to update its HTML. Okay, so what we are going to do here, like if $data sorry, not if response status is coming as 0, in this case what we are going to do, we are having that id admin. Okay, so we have created that id. You can see this one, admin hyphen, so this one admin hyphen. Okay, so this one we are going to use the plus, and see, admin id, and then HTML, we are going to update its HTML. Okay, so HTML that we are having here, HTML, this one we can copy this HTML here, this complete HTML we can copy and paste it here. We are going to modify this one, like this one, double quote, we are going to replace with single. status here we are going to make it inactive. Okay, so one more, we are going to have the another one here. We are going to make it like this: else if status is 1, then we are going to use this one, md outline, and its status will be active. So let's see if we able to update this here. So like this one still we not able to update. Okay, so it seems to be working fine. Let's refresh it and now check it again. See, but it not work perfectly. Next time it works, but first time it does not work. See, check once again. 01 admin id plus admin id to table. Okay, 25 pixel. Then here I think reverse. Okay, and here we will add the check. Now active, now inactive. Now it seems to be fine. Let's refresh and check once again. Like if I will do, now it seems to be fine. Okay, remove the alert as well. Alert, where is that alert? Now check once again. So now check, make it active. We have make both active and both inactive once again, both active once again. We are going to check here in browse and see both status, both admin status is active. Okay, now if we will make one active, we have make the vendor inactive. Now we are going to check here. See, the vendor is inactive. Now you can status is 0. Okay, so this one admin also we have make it inactive, and here also we are going to check the status are inactive. So it's working fine now at real time, instantly. With the help of jQuery and Ajax, we able to make the admin, sub-admin, vendor status active and inactive. Okay, so the admin can able to approve the vendor by clicking here. Okay, initially the status is inactive, but the admin can able to update the vendor status and make them active. Okay, and we will also send the email to the vendor that his account has been approved. So email kind of thing we are going to do later on. And also we are going to update this left sidebar that is not coming perfectly, so that also we are going to update, and many more things we are going to do in the next videos. So please stay tuned for that and keep watching, and if you have any query you can surely ask me. Okay, then that's all for now. Have a nice time.